Right, welcome back, Math 85 students. We've been working on decimal operations. So now that we've got the methods for adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing decimals, we'll now work on solving application problems. So basically what we'll do is set these things up, and then the computation, we won't go through the full explanation of the computation because we just did a whole bunch of videos on that. So Amber bought a pair of shoes for $24.75 and a purse for $36.90. The sales tax was $4.32. How much did she spend? So it's an addition problem. You'll want to add all of these amounts together, and we can line them up by lining up the basically pennies, dimes, dollars. So 5 plus 0 plus 2, 7 plus 9, 16, 17, 18, 19. 10, 11 plus 4 is 15. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is. So she spent a total of $65.97. Amber spent $65.97 total. All right, let's do another problem. Jessie puts 8 gallons of gas in her car. 1 gallon of gas costs $3.52.9. So you'll see this a lot at gas stations where it's not a whole number cent per gallon. It's a fraction of a cent per gallon that's included in the price. So how much does Jessie owe for gas? And we'll round to the nearest cent. Okay, so she puts 8 gallons in her car. Each gallon costs this much. So this is a multiplication problem. So we'll multiply the cost by the number of gallons, 8. 8 times 9 is 72. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 7 is 23. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 2 is 42. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 4 is 28. All right, and I might double check my calculation in case I did too much in my head. All right, got it correct. All right, now where do we put our decimal? You've got 3 places to the right of the decimal point in this number, none in this number, so I should have a total of 3 places to the right of the decimal point. 1, 2, 3, put the decimal point right in there. All right, now we need to round to the nearest cent. So that means this is $28, and then find the cent place or the hundredth place. Locate the next digit over, that's a 2, which tells you that you're closer to 28.23 than you are to 28.24. So basically this tells you to keep this digit the same and ignore all digits to the right. So Jessie owes $28.23 for gas. So we not only did the computation, but we also rounded. All right, let's do one more problem. 4 friends went out to dinner. They shared a large pizza and a pitcher of soda. Their total was $31.76. They want to divide the cost equally. How much should each person pay? Well, there's 4 friends. Here's the total cost. Divide that amongst your 4 paying customers. So $31.76. Divide that by 4 people. This tells you how much each person owes. And again, notice our divisor is a whole number. So you can just divide as if these are all whole numbers, making sure that your decimal point appears right above where it appeared in the dividend. 4 goes into 3, it doesn't. 4 goes into 31. 4 goes into 31 7 times. 7 times 4 is 28. And now we'll subtract. The difference is 3. Bring down the next digit. 4 goes into 37 9 times. 9 times 4 is 36. subtract, you get 1, bring down the next digit. And 4 goes into 16 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16, which is great because everyone owes the same amount of money. There's no remainder or anything. So each friend pays $7.94. All right, now that we are good on all of these problems, go ahead and make sure that you finish the homework in this section. So the homework in this section includes all computations, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, and additionally some word problems as well. Be sure to ask questions using that Ask My Instructor a Question button in WebAssign, or feel free to email me directly or request a conference date. I'm happy to video conference with you as well. All right, take care. Good luck.